Oh no. Wow.
Okay, follow the yellow line.
Oh my god, I'm not driving. I'm not driving. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Ah! I'm just talking, and if you're still watching, what the frick are you doing with your life?
The next day.
Okay, last day today. So we're heading to Changi Exhibition Center for the Subaru Advanced Technology Drive. So we're gonna drive right-hand drive. I'm super excited.
That's Marina Bay.
Okay, so we're at the place. Ayan, so some Rexes. The new BRZ is also here. Her friends are there. And I think those are the cars we'll get to drive. I see a Solterra there. So we're in this test track and we're gonna do the Subaru Advanced Technology Drive. And we'll be testing out these cars. Ayan, so it's a WRX sedan and a wagon. So that's right-hand drive. And then after that, we'll also be doing the Forester. Okay, so we're testing the WRX. Is this a manual?
No, it's
Oh no!
automatic.
We don't have a unit available for the 6-speed manual.
Oh man, never mind. It's okay.
Okay, so we're getting to drive this one. It's a right-hand drive. So it's our first time driving right-hand drive. Is it okay if I mount a camera? Okay. Oh no. Wow. Oh, the aids are so different from the... Oh, tightening. Sorry. Oh, you know what? Right-hand drive makes more sense than left-hand drive. It's easier to learn. Wow. What tires are we on? It's okay, it's okay. We're almost done. Don't worry. We're almost done. Yay! I like the car. Okay. To my left. Oh no! Oh no! Here. Okay. Here? Okay. Thank you for having us. I'm very lost. Okay, so we got to ride this one. So this is apparently a TS and it's super nice. But I think I like this one more though. Okay, so we're done driving the Rex. It's so fun and masaya pala mag right-hand drive. So it's still the signature Boxster handling. Everything we've loved about the WRX. Ayun, it's really nimble and the power is easy to manage. It's there agad when you step on it. It's super nice. I can't wait to drive the left-hand drive one. Okay, so while we wait, we have the Solterra again. So this is their first full EV. Still all-wheel drive, of course. So this one is left-hand drive. Ayan. May pagka-Forester yung rear na styling. And then it has the plastic, what do you call that? Fender flares or trim. And it's cute. I like it. And again, look at that ride height. It looks so good. So, are we getting... ayaw mag-focus. Ano nangyari? So, are we getting the Solterra in the Philippines? I hope so kasi it looks so nice. And it's a nice SUV EV option for everyone. Tapos wala ka pa coding, di ba? So, okay.
We'll do the preceding lead vehicle, PLV.
Okay.
Right? So just fully depress the brake,
Okay.
set the button down.
Uh-huh.
Alright. So
Oh,
let go your feet. Both feet back.
Ah. I'll keep my feet up, so we're
Are you
exaggerated. Yes.
Alright. Active.
Mm-hmm.
Start slalom.
Oh.
Let go your hand.
Oh my God. I'm not driving. I'm not driving. Hi.
So within 24 seconds, if you don't pull onto the steering wheel, there's a notification. Just, yep.
Wee. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be the pre-collision now.
All the way to Tagebot, all the way to Tagebot.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I can brace today. Wee.
That was
4.0 eyesight. See, I trust it so much. I held on like a passenger. I forgot I was driving. I'm on the passenger side of left hand. So I was like, oh. Okay.
Alright. So next, earlier we have just done about 40 kilometers.
Okay.
Now I just need you to accelerate all the way to 60. Once you accelerate at 60, once you reach 60, let go.
Okay.
Just aim the target board.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, almost at 60.
Let go.
I'm scared. Ah! Are you okay?
okay. My phone just flew.
Oh no. Do I park it back inside?
All good.
So you see, even the seatbelt
Yeah,
is restrained.
I felt it tighten, yeah. So they're trying the pre-collision braking na yata. So that's around 40. So he's not stepping on the brakes. And that's all eyesight working.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to try eyesight 4.0 with the Forester. So this is the one that we drove. Ayan. And it's super fun. Medyo scary to leave your life at the hands of the car, but yeah, I super trust eyesight. Ayun, sobrang enjoy. So, what an experience. So it can also get out by itself. Okay, we have to cut that short. There's a category 1 thunderstorm though. So, okay, that's it for SATD. Okay, this is it. We're leaving Singapore. If you like this, like, subscribe, comment. So yeah, yun lang.